Indoor dining will continue to be prohibited. Event spaces will remain closed, and indoor fitness classes are going to be limited as well. In other words, there will be no reopening in Toronto as of this weekend. The city will be moving into the province's red level of COVID restrictions, but with further recommendations from Dr. Eileen Davila. They include restricting close contact and social gatherings to those you live with, also limiting activities to work, school, and only those considered essential. All this while making a pretty grim picture of where we're at late this afternoon.
The grave risk we currently face is evident. More action is required to protect the people of Toronto from the rampant spread of COVID-19. I want to warn you, in the plainest possible terms, that COVID-19 is out there at levels we have not seen before. You should assume it is everywhere, and that without proper precautions and protections, you are at risk of infection.
Davila reporting that the city's percent positivity for COVID is at 5.9, and there have been nearly 2,000 new cases reported in Toronto over the last 4 days. Now, Toronto was originally thought to be entering the orange category, which would have allowed restaurants and gyms to open. Here's what Mayor Tory had to say this afternoon.
But we need to take these unprecedented actions in order to get this virus under control in our city and avoid things that could be much worse. It is, quite simply, the right series of things to do right now, and that is why we are moving today. We are at a crucial point. We're at a crossroads where all of us need to tighten up our own lives to help stop the spread of COVID-19. We need each and every person in our city to act like the virus is everywhere, because it could be anywhere.
In making the call, Toronto's medical officer of health is exercising powers that had previously been questioned, whether or not she had the authority or whether it was the province that had the ability to put these restrictions in place. She said she was able to as a matter of urgency.